What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built.
So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it does look as though we've finally broken out of this little descending wedge that we've been looking at for a while here, looking something like this. Where essentially, we've had that ABC correction in September. Things looking really bearish in the market in general. We had that one final little leg down like that as well, where we did see these massive bullish divergences. Obviously, the bear's getting super greedy. We come down, we touch the bottom of our macro trend line, along with being oversold pretty much on our RSI. And you can see every single time that this happens, as we said previously, we do get that bounce to the upside, which we are seeing right now. On the 1st of October here, to be honest, on the 30th of September, preempting the pump in October, we did start to see a pickup off the bottom. And then lo and behold, on the 1st of October, we had a massive pump up, all the way from down here around 8 cents, hitting a high of around, 11.5 cents. Where since then we have been coiling up, doing something like this and just going sideways, retesting the 55 and the 20 moving average as support after basically flipping them again, and hopefully we can drag them back up, get that bullish cross and then continue to the upside. After having a very bearish period in September, it's nice to see ourselves reclaiming these levels here because it's very important for continuation in our opinion. Getting back above resistance is very important clearly. And you can see here, we got back above the 55 and the 20, retesting them as support. And if we just throw our Fibonacci retracement here on this recent move, from the high to the low, looking something like that. You can see here, we've come well above our 038. We haven't even retested this at all, showing how bullish we are really. We've come up to this previous level of structure here, currently testing it as resistance, as you can see, in and around this area. But if we do start to break this, we are going to be looking really good, and it looks as though Bitcoin is ready to get on its bike. And obviously the higher that Bitcoin goes, the more volume is probably going to come back into the market in general, because the market has been pretty low recently in terms of volume, as you can see here. Massive amounts of volume in this move and on the run up, but recently the volume has been much lower, basically waiting for that move, aren't we? And if we do start to see Bitcoin breaking to the upside, getting up to 55, 60k, and basically getting towards the all-time high, we're probably going to see Vechain start to see some volume coming back in like this, waiting for that parabolic run for the end of the bull run. So we'll keep things very short and sweet because our voice, as you can probably tell, is very destroyed from this ongoing issue that we seem to have. So if we do roll over, we obviously want to see the 55 and the 20 moving average hold, but if they don't, got a very strong support of the 038, which we do think would hold very nicely on this previous swing low area as well. Doing something like this, if we make that inverse head and shoulders, which it looks as though we are potentially forming already, actually, just as a side note, if we go sideways here and we start to break the neckline in this area, let's just take a look at what that would be. So as you can see, that would take us well up into these, well up above this 068, up into around the 16-17 cent area. If this inverse head and shoulders kind of formation does start to play out, which it looks like it may be the case, if we see ourselves coming towards this neckline at around the 050, so that would be our next price target to the upside. And then if we do see that breakout, we're coming up to at least the 0618 as the next move up, as you can see, getting back into this range that we put in, throughout the whole of August, really. And then longer term, as we always say, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain isn't unrealistic at all. That is only around, a 2 to 4x from the all-time high, which is really achievable considering the low-ish market cap. It'd be around 60 or 70 billion for those kinds of price targets, we think. And this is a top quality crypto, isn't it? It's gone under the radar for a while in terms of the news, but we do think that it's going to start to pick up as things go on. It's basically just coiling up for a little bit of a move like this, isn't it? And we do think it's going to start to head to the upside soon with Bitcoin. So
that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.